it's your girl KK. We're doing another slime video. We already got the water done. We got the glitter. First, you need water. What's the next ingredient? This is the color. And the next ingredient, what is it?
So first, guys, we gotta put this.
Look. Add it in the water.
Well, I'm not doing the pink, okay?
Okay? Let's just try it.
Okay. Wait, 1 second.
Hey, your hair. Let's just try it. So, you want to add this in there? And then
Mix it.
So, let's get started.
Yeah. Wait. Y'all can do that.
Okay, let's get started. We're just eating chips for a little snack. So,
10 seconds. That's about count to 10.
10, 9, 8, give us a big 6, 5. Smash that big thumbs up button for us. Okay?
So first, supposed to open it.
Ooh, how does this not work?
Yeah.
For all of us.
So,
Oh.
just gonna open it.
Then we gotta
Put in
the
the
water.
What's up?
Then I gotta look. Give me my
Shout out
stick.
to this boy.
Move out the way, girl.
Let's do a shout out.
So we got a stick.
Hey, shout out to Big Man.
And then we
So
got
we're gonna stick.
Now I'm gonna mix it up for a
Big
little
Man right there. We got
because you know
And then we're gonna
I
mix it
gotta
up
get
with
that powder all good.
Hey,
You see, so first you gotta tell from the bottom.
What
guys.
kind of-
YouTube,
Oh,
this
this
for
one.
y'all.
Can I mix it?
And I'm on
What's
showing
this
it to YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
what is it?
slow. Well, fast, but not.
Sorry guys about that.
Okay.
So guys, we're still holding the camera. Well, she's mixing it. Holy 60K. So we have some snacks right there. Move.
Here, let me mix this a little bit. It's good to hide away, but she's gonna add a room. Put some. This is the slime down there, Tom.
And we have
But
some,
the other stuff right there,
we
that's
have,
my brother's. Wait. Put that right here.
so, let's go.
I want to mix it.
So,
Can I be the one to mix it, please?
so we're gonna mix it. What's that thing? You just
No,
mix this.
mix it with this a little.
Then you're gonna mix it with this. And then you're finished. Oh. So that's how you make your slime. So thank you for watching our video.
No.
Oh, sorry. And then thank you for watching our video. That's all I want to say. Make sure to hit
Challenge him
the
now.
like button.
Hit that like for the KSB.
Yeah. We're making a slime video. So we mix. Look.
Look, move.
Mix.
Yeah, you gotta mix it for 2
Oh,
seconds.
how you do this? Hey, YouTube.
Count for 2
This boy don't know how to
seconds.
crack
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9. Wait, start over.
10. So guys, all I want to tell you is we're gonna be back right now. So I'm gonna see you in a second.
No, start over the counting.
For y'all.
Okay.
Go with some
1,
chips.
2,
Watch out,
Wait.
Count, you gonna get don't get you right there. I don't want how to count. YouTube, I'm sorry.
So guys, sorry about that, and we're mixing
You
it.
need practice, huh?
We're mixing, mix,
Sorry, YouTube, I missed that one. That's alright.
Gonna mix it all.
Yeah, you need some practice. That's what. That's
Hold
what
it.
I'm talking about.
Hold it.
So guys,
So guys.
and we made this slime.
Yeah. But by the way, give it a big thumb. You hold this one.
No, give it a big thumbs up. Okay, guys?
Give us a big thumbs up for this KFT.
Yeah, we try our best to make videos.
Yeah.
Look, the girls don't even know what they doing.
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do.
Oh, we doing better channels than that. I'll shoot you right away. Back.
So,
We doing funnier
they're
channels.
playing got a title. We're just making our slime.
Give me some more chips, y'all.
We shooting
Well,
this.
give me some more chips.
Wait. So, guys, we're gonna be waiting for 2 minutes.
Time to go. I'm gonna hit you. I shoot the camera, Lil.
Wait.
Lil. How is the video?
Give me some.
Lil.
Can I have the rest? I want to make this.
So guys, this is the slime we made. We made 2 of these. And when we made this one too, but we're gonna look for a container.
What?
Sorry guys.
Mom, I want the one in the green.
So we have another container. Dang it.
I want
So
the
we have
green
our slime.
one. Here.
Thank you for the help.
So I need
hold the
that
camera. So we're making another slime.
Hey, you're not supposed to.
So we're gonna be showing you the. We're almost finished with the other one, so let's go check that. Yeah, one. This is
Kinda hard right now.
And then this, we have you
I'll do it for you.
Spider-Man pop.
Wait, no, because it's not hard like that.
Oh, you gotta add some
Give it to
corn.
me. I don't have to do it.
What happened?
Big TV.
So guys, we
I don't
have
have to do it. KK.
like we have a container. So we put our slime in here.
Sorry, guys.
So I'm gonna put this in the other slime.
We live in a mansion. A 4-bedroom.
Hi guys.
A 4-bedroom mansion.
Hello. Hit this like for the KFT.
Hey, look.
Hit the thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah!
Let me tell you guys.
Give a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell.
We're gonna give out slime gift awards.
Every day, click the bell so we can do more videos. Gotta let it fit.
One, two, three, 4.
Now we made a like button. Click the like button. Click the like button. So click the bell.
So guys, thank you for watching.
Hit that like button so we can do more videos.
Support?
Wait!
No! So guys, the video.
Why you take my stuff off?
So sorry guys, that's not
Why you do
this part of
that?
our video.
The girl.
Give me my. I don't know why you did that.
All you slime together.
That's how
Make sure you get all your slime together.
12 o'clock, 4:30, I'll be back.
Ooh, this slime is sticky.
Sorry about all that. We're really sorry. We're really sorry about all that arguing. This thing goes.
Alright, YouTube, come back.
I didn't know what it was.
Alright, so you know that
Now I need my glittery side.
Ooh, glitter.
Now we got some glittery sides.
Oh, beautiful.
go.
So that. Put this
Wait,
over
wait,
here.
where's the cup?
No, this is not the cup.
And then I right to that.
Give this. Give me.
This one. Out of here.
This
Back to this.
No, this one.
Yes.
Like that one, Kyrie.
So there.
That's baseball evolution, whatever you call it.
Shout out to KFTV.
That went to hell, bro.
Now I need.
Do you want this?
Hell no, I ain't wearing nothing. I'll shoot your camera.
No,
Alright.
I'm gonna open it. Want me to open it for you? I'll open it.
No, I got it.
I need some
Hello!
I opened it.
Hey, that. So that's the first, second, third, here's the other cup. The cup, sorry about that.
And you are about to good. See, now we play.
Now I want to
Now we
take it off.
play. Oh my god.
And then add the glitter,
Wow.
okay,
Where's my?
The day before yesterday.
go.
Where's the cup that was right?
Why you put that right
there? Because I was playing with the horsey thing. Ooh, that's pretty.
So we have this slime. It's kind of sticky.
Now I'm gonna move this stuff out the way. Now put the camera up here now. So that's shout out messy, but click that like button so we can do more videos for y'all. So
Don't go ahead. Just hold it.
first I gotta put like this. You know.
So like, put it a little bit like that.
Now
You gotta have a little
get my
pudding.
No.
Oh, look at it, it's beautiful.
Now I gotta put my little glitter. You see the little sign?
Can I?
I love stars.
So guys, we're gonna be making another slime. So you gotta wait. Wait for it.
Until the professional boss does the glitter.
So we had blue ones. This stuff right there, a little messy. Can you hold it?
Dad, let's put flowers. And don't forget.
Okay, so you got the. Yeah, don't forget 4th of July. That's the whole thing. We need time for the other slime.
You see, wait, you see the stars? Wait,
Yeah,
don't
this
touch
one.
them.
So guys, thank you for watching. We're doing another
you put it
video.
right
there. Make sure to subscribe.
Well, you
and,
just said you're gonna put out of it.
thank you for subscribing. Make sure you subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Bye.